You guys are going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, June 11th. We had three trades, pulled out just 4.1 pips, really sort of like a churn type day. First, we'll go over some economic news. We had retail sales that came out at 8:30 this morning, pretty much in line with estimates. If you take out the volatile auto industry, it beat slightly. And jobless claims came out a little slightly higher than estimates, 279,000 new jobless claims. So not great economic news, but not horrible either. Sort of like, I don't know, sort of like indifferent, you know. So not a whole lot of impact on markets. We did, as far as scalping goes, you could have some impact on any type of economic number. So we'll go over to three trades. They were all full size scalps. So when you're doing full size scalps, you're looking for, whatever you can make on it, whether it's 5, 10, 15, 20 pips, and at the same time, you're only going to risk so much. So this is a scalp that we were in last night. We were short Euro Canadian 1.38609. Just never went in our favor, went against us pretty much right off the bat. And we set a stop of 15 pips. And actually we got stopped out right before retiring for the evening. So we knew we were down that 15.3 pips going into today. But overnight we did have a scalp order out there on the pound US dollar. It's the first one that you're seeing here. We were short 1.54744. Now we weren't in front of the computer. We had the order out there. We're going to risk. We had our stops in, but we also had our profit targets in. We had our profit targets in originally for more than the 14.5 pips that we made. But since we weren't in front of the computer when it happened, and we knew we weren't going to be, we put our profit target to pretty much get close to the loss that we took on this one, the Euro Canadian of 15.3. And we ended up covering at 1.54599, picking up 14.5 pips. The thought process is, even though you're not in front of the computer, if you can pretty much get somewhere around that 15 pip loss, in a profit on this trade, great. If not, you're risking another 10 to 15 or 20 pips. Still both within the realm of acceptable. So at worst, we'd be down around 30 pips if this one didn't work out. Fortunately, it did work out. Unfortunately, we weren't in front of the computer because it happened about 3 o'clock in the morning. And you could see what it did. It came, we covered at 1.54599, call it 1.5460. This thing traded as low as 1.5430. That's 30 pips. So if we were in front of the computer, would we have captured all that? Absolutely not. Could we have pieced out, knowing we want to try to cover that, make up that loss? Absolutely. We could have pieced out half here and looked to make another 5 or 8 pips or 10 pips on a second half. Then we would be up a few pips between those two trades. Just unfortunate of the timing that it happened. Second one was a long in pound US dollar as well. We were long this 1.55051. We sold 1.55100. We picked up 4.9 pips. It traded as high as 1.55120. It was after the retail sales data came out. Initially, retail sales made the dollar rally and the pound fall off, as you see this tail down. And then it started to reverse and started to run. And we got our signal, a little late. It was running. It came up to the figure. We weren't crazy about it. We're not fan of the figures. 1.55000, 1.54000, right? So it's just a psychological level. You get a lot of sellers there. But we got the signal. We took it, figuring, all right, we'll risk 10, 15 pips since we're relatively flat for the day. And it went in our favor right off the bat, about 7 or 8 pips. And if it came back to 1.55100, we were out. Sure enough, that's what it did. It didn't spend much time above that, and we took the 4.9 pips and we ran. So that's it. Not a crazy day, not a great day for us, but we'll take it. Better than losing, right? So 3 trades with a profit of 4.1 pips. So we'll move on till tomorrow. That's it. If you're still trading now, good luck. We do have our two correlation positions are still on. We've had them now. This is going into our second or third week with them. If you're still trading now, good luck. If we have any trades tonight or tomorrow, we'll do another video tomorrow. If not, have a great weekend. And that's it. So we'll be back either tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday. Have a great weekend.